Hey everyone, Matthew and Kaylee here today.
Hey there.
We're going to be opening some Pokemon packs today. So we have some Darkness Ablaze over here. We have some Vivid Voltage with a Grookey, and 2 Score Bunnies. Have some more Vivid Voltage with Chunkachu on the front. And then we have 1 Cosmic Eclipse. So let's go ahead and jump into it. For my first Vivid Voltage, let's see what we get. Personally, my favorite has been the Vivid Voltage so far. That's what I pulled the best out of. We got a couple weeks ago, we got some Vivid Voltage Elite Trainer boxes. And Kaylee pulled some decent cards out of that. Got a Water, Energy, Stunfisk, another Energy, Shuckle, Skiddo, Ferroseed. I say that one, Kaylee. The Denny. A Drillbur. That's Kaylee's favorite. Oh, first holo, Magcaro, and then rare Toucannon. Still cool. So we'll go ahead and get started. I'm gonna start with Darkness Ablaze. Hopefully we can pull something good. We haven't got to open any packs in a few days. Everywhere's been dry. Hard to get a hold of them. Two, three, four. Steel Energy. Combuskin. I've never seen that one before. Trainer. Larion. Pansage. Golett, Vanillite, maybe, Trapinch. I can't even say that one. Y'all can read it. Reverse Holo, Semisage, and then a Holo, Kangaskhan. Yeah, I'm not very good at the pronouncing of them.
Not Semisage.
How do you say this one? Semisage. Kaylee knows how to say them. That's awesome. Put that one over there. Go ahead and sleeve this one. Awesome.
Okay, so it's my turn. So I have, for my first Darkness Ablaze, I'm gonna guess it's gonna be a Fighting Energy. What do you think, Matthew?
I think electric.
Try not to spoil it.
Water. Figures. I'm just gonna go with water every time from now on.
Okay, Furret, Yellhorn, Flaffy,
Oh, I like Flaffy.
Starly, Aron, Cubchoo, I like him, Rowlet, Jigglypuff, ooh, Reverse Holo Kangaskhan, and it's a star, nice. Rare, and a regular rare Elsagore.
On to the next Vivid Voltage pack. I'm gonna guess electric on this one. What do you think, Kaylee?
Fighting.
Ooh, a Charmander. What's that? Charizard, good luck. Three, four. Water. Gosh, we're both wrong.
Usually you guess water.
I know.
You did it.
Figures. Got a Swellow, a Zeep Striker, Dusclops, a Charmander, a Wooper, Meowth, I like that one, Cottony, Aracuda, Reverse Hollow, Electric, and then Creamy. Non-hollow. Rare though. You like that one?
Yeah.
I like that one too.
Oh, for me. Alright, next I'm gonna do one of my Vivid Voltage packs.
Brings me water.
I think it's gonna be a dark energy. Oh, almost got it.
What was it, water? No, you
I
didn't.
haven't flipped it
Oh, sorry.
yet.
I was looking. Oh yeah.
Water.
It's a big one.
Okay. Hitmontop, Mag Cargo, a Drone Rotom, Picky Peck, Mudbray, Joltik, Weedle, Talo, ooh, Reverse Hollow, Puccina, and
Nice. Hollow
Rare Hollow Zapdos. Nice. Alright, so we haven't pulled anything too crazy so far, so maybe the Cosmic Eclipse will do it for us. Let's see. Oh, nobody saw that. Oh, those are the weird ones that don't do it right. So is this 3 or 4?
4. Could be. I guess.
4. Okay.
Yeah. We didn't guess on energy.
It's okay. Grass type energy. Vibrava. Probopass. Igglybuff. Kricketot. Woobat. Ducklet. Helioptile. Cosmog. A reverse hollow Spiel. And a rare non-hollow Lantern.
Let's go and get to the next Vivid Voltage. I'm gonna guess fire for this one's energy. Forgot to do the other ones. What do you think, Haley? Fairy.
Urilu.
2, 3, 4. Oh, wrong. Energy. Galvantula. That one's interesting. Swellow. Water energy. Rylu. Sandile. Whalmer. Weedle. Beldum. Another energy. Oh, it's a reverse hollow. Uh-oh. We got a cool one. An Orbeetle. Awesome. I'll never pulled a full art. Well, not a full art. Half full art, I think. Orbeetle. That's awesome. Let's get it sleeved.
It's just like our promo card.
Yeah, we got a promo card from the Orbeetle box. Awesome. He's one of my favorites.
Alright, so next I'm gonna go for my next Vivid Voltage. One, 2, 3, 4. What do you guess for the energy?
Grass.
I want to say Psychic.
You got Pikachu energy. Chunkachu.
Yeah, maybe. Rocky Helmet. Galvantula. Swellow. Chimicho. Nincada. Voltorb. Rockruff. Wheesmer. A reverse hollow telescopic sight and non-hollow Galarian Berserker.
Darn. on to my last Vivid Voltage pack. What do you guess on this one, Kaylee? I'll let you guess first.
Grass type.
Grass. I'm gonna go fighting. Let's see a Woobat. Put it over 1, 2, 3, 4. Man. Both were wrong. Let me see. Rocky helmet. Trainer. Woobat. Halo. Another Charmander. Nice. Wooper. Meowth. Mudbray. I always get those ones. And a Garbodor. Non-hollow.
Okay, last but not least, our final Vivid Voltage pack. Hopefully, we get something good, 'cause so far, the luck hasn't been that great.
I say fairy type.
Fairy?
Yep.
I'm gonna say water. Oh, fire type. Maybe we get that Charizard luck. Is there a Charizard in Vivid Voltage? I don't think there is. Okay. So fire energy. Shuckle. Delmise. Trumbeak. Drillbur. Oshawott, my favorite. Duskull. Ferroseed. Rylu. Xerneas. Oh, reverse hollow. And Fortress. Non-hollow. Rare.
Alright, y'all. So here's the wrap up. We got 4 hits out of the packs we had today. We had the Zapdos hollow, rare. We had the Kangaskhan hollow, rare. Another Kangaskhan reverse hollow, rare. And then the Orbeetle half art, rare. So the Orbeetle is probably the best pull from today. But if y'all enjoyed, make sure to leave us a like and check us out next week for our next opening. See y'all.